Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to integrate Google Maps with React. So first we have to go to console.cloud.google.com and here we have to create a new project. So if you have any other project already has been created, then you can select from here, and I am going to create a new project here. With the project name as Google Maps key. So if you have any organization, then you can keep that organization name here. So once you have created, you will be navigated to this page, and if the project is created successfully, then you will be getting the notification here. So our project got created successfully. Now we have to go to projects and we have to select our project what we have created. Now we have to click on credentials. So once you are navigated to this page, you have to click on create credentials. You will be having different options. So this OAuth client ID is for creating the social login authentications and Facebook authentication, Google authentication, etc. So you have to click on API key for Google Maps. So it has created an API key for us. Now we have to copy this API key. We have to copy this and we have to store it somewhere. I am going to store it in my notepad. Now once that is done, you have to go to library. In this library section, you will be having different applications, different integrations. So you have to enable based on your requirement. So if you are working with Dialogflow, then you have to click on this and enable, and based on your requirement you have to enable all those. And coming to our requirement, it is maps, so we have to enable this maps JavaScript API. So you have to click on enable option. If you have already enabled this, then you will be getting some enabled option there. So you have to click on enable option. So once that is done, you will be navigated to this page, and you have to go to your application. So I have created an application named React 1. Here I will be doing all my things in app.js. You can do in whatever component you want. So for my convenience, I am going to create here. Now we have to install some package. I am going to copy this package and I am going to install this. So our package got successfully installed. So you can verify by using package.json. If you see here, React Google Maps 9.4.5 version got successfully installed in our application. Now we have to copy this and paste it in index.html page. So in the public folder of React application, you will be having index.html, and in the body section of that you have to paste this Now I have to import with Google Map and Google Map here. So I'm copy pasting this. I'm going to give this code in my blog, and I will give the link in my YouTube channel. So you can go there and copy paste your code. So once this is done, you have to open your terminal and start your application by doing npm start. So it's got compiled and run successfully. Now we have to open our browser and verify whether it's working or not. So you can see here, I will refresh this. And if you see here, we got this successfully. You can navigate to different areas in these maps based on your requirement. So you can see here, and you can expand this. This is all about this integration of Google Maps with React. And thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.